Hey, take a second, just 15 seconds. I'm not here to sell you motivation, and I'm definitely not here to tell you to stay positive. I just want to show you a few small things your brain already knows how to do, but we forget to use when we need them most. Have you noticed how, when your mood suddenly drops, your mind feels like it's no longer under your control? That's where the first thing comes in, and it's surprisingly simple. Gently relax your face, even if you don't feel okay yet. Lift your eyebrows just a little, unclench your jaw, and softly raise the corners of your mouth. Not a forced smile, just a calm one. Your brain reads your face before it listens to your thoughts. When your face looks calm, your brain receives a signal that says, you're safe. And when your brain feels safe, stress chemicals begin to slow down. Now the second thing. This one is even more powerful. Whatever you're feeling right now, just name it quietly or out loud. I'm feeling stressed. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm feeling anxious. You're not trying to fix the emotion. You're just acknowledging it. The moment you name an emotion, your brain shifts from reaction mode to observation mode. You stop being the emotion and you start noticing it. That small shift alone reduces its intensity. And now the third thing. This one is often overlooked. Don't wait for motivation. Just do something tiny, really tiny. Sit up straight. Take one slow breath. Drink a sip of water. Or complete one small task that takes less than 15 seconds. Your brain doesn't release dopamine when you reach big goals. It releases dopamine when it senses progress. Even the smallest win tells your brain, we're moving forward. And when dopamine shows up, focus, energy, and optimism follow naturally. You don't need to use all three at once. Even one of them can help. Together, they gently reset your nervous system and bring you back to yourself. This doesn't mean life suddenly becomes easy. It just means you feel a little more grounded again. And sometimes, that's more than enough. Thank you for watching. If this helped you even a little, like the video and subscribe to Voice of Stories.